Welcome to today's dive into a topic that might just be the key to unlocking a new chapter in your life. How can you rebuild your social life after a big move or significant personal change? If you've recently found yourself in a new city or simply entering a new phase and the social part of the puzzle seems like the hardest to solve, you're in the right place. I'm Lynn with Life Reimagined with Lynn. Today, we're not just going to talk about rebuilding. Going to lay out a plan that energizes your journey towards making meaningful connections. And stick around till the end because I'll share how you can access a free coaching session to help personalize your action plan, ensuring you're not just making new connections, but enriching your life in the process. Moving to a new place or undergoing a big life change can feel like resetting your life story. While the blank pages can be daunting, they're also ripe with opportunity. Let's walk through 10 solid steps to help you start this chapter with confidence and enthusiasm. So first, start with self-reflection. Understand what you need from your social life. Do you thrive in large groups or do you prefer intimate gatherings? Knowing what makes you feel fulfilled socially is a crucial first step. Second, explore community events. Every community has a pulse, and you can find it in local events. Whether it's a farmer's market, a local charity event, or a workshop, get out there and mingle with people who share your interests. 3. Leverage social media. Platforms like Facebook and Meetup are great for finding local groups or events. Join groups that align with your interests and don't shy away from making the first move to connect with others. 4. Take classes that interest you. Cooking classes, art workshops, yoga sessions, or even academic courses can be great places to meet people. Plus, learning something new can boost your confidence and conversation topics. 5. Volunteer. Giving back is not only fulfilling, but also a fantastic way to meet people who share your values. Look for organizations in your area that resonate with your passions. 6. Reconnect with old friends and acquaintances. Sometimes a big move brings you closer to people you've lost touch with. Reach out and reconnect. You never know what friendships you can rekindle. 7. Be a regular. Frequently visit the same coffee shop, bookstore, or park. Familiarity breeds comfort, and regular visits can help you become a familiar face to others too. 8. Attend networking events. If you're professionally inclined, industry network events can be doubly beneficial. Platforms like LinkedIn can help you find professional events in your area. Host your own event. Once you feel a bit more settled, host a small gathering or get together at your place. It could be as simple as a coffee morning or as themed as a book club. And 10, keep an open mind and be patient. Building a fulfilling social life takes time. Be open to new experiences and different types of people. And remember that every encounter is a step forward. Do something every day towards building your social life. Remember, it may take 15 yoga classes before you start to feel the connection. This doesn't happen overnight. Put some effort into it. As you embark on this journey of rebuilding your social life, remember, it's okay to step out of your comfort zone. And if you find yourself needing a bit more guidance or someone to strategize with, I offer free exploratory coaching sessions. You can find the link to schedule one in the description below. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might be facing similar challenges. Your feedback is not just appreciated, it's what lights my way in helping you better. Until next time, remember, every person you meet has the potential to become a significant part of your life stories. Let's make every connection count.